Hi, how are you doing today? As you know, I have drawn a bigger circle, so I'm going to draw a nice emoji for you today. So this circle was previously drawn for the better convenience. You can see I use this stuff for the drawing of the circles. You can also use the other drawing materials for the drawing of the circles too. Let's begin the drawing. First, I'm going to draw the mouth here. So inside this bigger circle, I'm going to draw a smaller circle. As you can see, I'm doing right now. On top of it, I'm going to put the eyebrow like this, another eyebrow like this, and the eyes is going to be like this, going to be like this. These are all graphical presentations. So let's make some details for the eyes here. So this is the middle part. You can see this is quite thicker, and the sides, left side and right side, those are a little bit pointy. You can see there. Now we are going to use the marker to make a thicker outline for this eyebrow. So this is going to be thicker, and also this is going to be thicker. All right, now we're going to fill up the mouth with a deep black color, as you can see here. Okay, so basic drawing is done. Only one part is left, that we are going to draw some graphical presentations, because this guy is exhaling. So that's why some bubbles or the airs we can show graphically here. This is going to be all right, quite white, and the presentations. Okay, now we're going to fill inside of this circle with a bright green color, so that the drawing looks nice and brightly visible to the viewers. Let's start the drawing from left side, and we can progress all over the area inside this bigger circle. Then we are going to move to the right side to complete the whole drawing. The left side is almost done, you can see from my drawing there. Keep in touch the whole style, follow the procedures and the instructions I can show you. And if you practice, once again the drawing is going to be better and nice for you every time you draw again and again. So the better thing is that to make a perfect drawing, or to achieve the best perfection, you have to practice a lot. For practicing all these drawings of emoji, this is a very better options for the primary level. So as a drawing for beginner, you can have the perfection and good achievements by practicing all these drawings. So this is almost complete. I hope you follow all the procedures. Do not skip any parts of the video, so that you don't miss any nice topics. Please follow the channel Blue Hand Drawing, subscribe the channel, and put the bell icons on to get the updates. In next videos, we are going to bring more interesting topics. You can also browse through the categories. We have playlists there, and we have lots of drawings and options there. You can select your own choices and go forward. So that's the best thing. Stay with this channel. You can subscribe, and until then, stay healthy, stay nice, stay happy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.